Hey everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, we will see how to distinguish between real and fake faces. What do you mean by real and fake faces? When we use a face recognition system, it is very easy to fool a system to show a photo of a person, and system can recognize the photo of a person. So it cannot distinguish if the person is itself present on the camera, in front of the camera, or someone is showing his or her photo. So to overcome that problem, we have a real and fake face detector. We can distinguish between real and fake face. So here is the one. So you can see that the model is able to detect my face as real. To examine that, is the model detecting it correctly or not? I will show some photos of some persons. So I'll show the photo of Virat Kohli here. So you can see that the model can successfully classifies my real face and the face of Virat, which I am showing to the camera, as it is fake. So I'll show some another photos also. So let's see, is it able to detect or not? So any cancer, let's say Narendra Modi. So here is our Prime Minister Narendra Modi. So, and the photo of him. You can say that the model is too much brightness. It is also not able to detect the face. Yeah. Now you can see this is a fake face. Okay. Let's try it another. Let's say Sachin Tendulkar. Okay. Here's Sachin. So all this is our so this is the difference between real and fake face. So the model cannot be fooled anymore. Thank you very much.